Dombrowski, and today we're going to be watching a video!
Now, Tyler,
Yeah.
can you say your full name?
Hello, my name is Tyler Dombrowski James, and today we're going to be,
Talking kayak fishing
yeah.
with Kayak Kevin.
Yeah, Kayak Kevin.
Kayak Kevin.
Yeah, Kayak Kevin.
Now tell him, Tyler, you want to make a YouTube video.
And I want to make a YouTube video about this. It's a new video, you guys.
Because you want to be a kayak fisherman.
Yeah, I want to be a kayak fisherman. Yeah,
This is what you've done, Kayak Kevin.
yeah,
This is the future right here, brother.
yeah.
And all because why, Tyler? We wanted to make a YouTube video,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because this is how we roll
Yeah.
on Sundays.
Yeah.
Fish power, brother. Hold up. Chesapeake Bay, Kevin's talking. We got to watch the Chronicles now. This is the real good stuff here. Kayak Kevin teaches us.
Yeah.
Sheephead, look at the sheephead.
Oh.
Flounder, striper, and red drum. Tyler, you want to catch one of them?
Yeah.
All right, there's your first YouTube video.
All right.